Welcome to Chicken Dairies for August 16th, 2025. The girls are in after we led them back into their pen for dinner. They got a nice mix of salad and their regular food, which Red Baroness and Panther are enjoying, with Kevin being naughty. Kevin, let them eat in peace. It's alright, girls. All is good. Excuse me. Well, just waiting for the racing to resume. V8 stock cars. Not V8 stock cars. Stock Cars Australia. You get the names mixed up after researching 25 years of history. Well, it's longer than that, actually. But yeah, waiting for the racing, and it may rain, so they may not race at all today, this afternoon, for the second race of the weekend. Anyway, we had a beautiful day today. We also had an earthquake, a 5.6 earthquake, about 100 k's away, something like that. The house shook. Probably wouldn't have been as bad if it was on the ground, but because we're on stumps, you could certainly feel it. So that was the excitement for today. The tremors. I can tell you, earthquakes freak dogs out. So yeah, not a good idea for dogs to be around earthquakes. Hopefully no one lost their pets today. No dogs freaking out, running out, going missing. It's always a concern. Well, I better get back inside and see if the race is going to happen. It should be about 30 minutes time. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time. Bye for now.